Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful mint condition 2015 Lexus IS 250. Very, very clean, two-owner example, no reported accidents, auto check certified. It says gorgeous metallic red paint, new tires all the way around, alloy wheels, nice aggressive revised front end, LED front headlights, fog lights, daytime running lights. Very, very beautiful. And then powered by the 2.5 four-cylinder engine. Good, long-lasting, reliable motor. All up to date, maintenance is good. And you just see that beautiful shine out of that red paint. Absolutely stunning car. Beautiful color. Comes with tinted windows, keyless smart entry. Also has four-wheel disc brakes. And then we have a super clean, luxurious leather interior. I mean, you can see how well the touch points are, and see that nice metallic finish in that switch plate. Beautiful there. Smoke and pet free, leather's like new, perfect. Power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof. And then original owner's manual, nice clean dashboard, brushed nickel finish. And then rear backup camera, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite radio, CD player, AM/FM stereo. Also get an automatic transmission with sport mode, paddle shifters, and then USB auxiliary connectivity, dual cup holders, and then scrolling knob style for the infotainment. Then we have multiple drive modes, snow, eco, sport, and then dual vanity mirrors, map lighting, SOS Safety Connect with paid subscription. Then we also have home link, auto dimming rear view mirror, as well as compass temperature gauge, side impact airbags, leather throughout, even on the door panels, and then turn signals in the side view mirrors. Comes with all the factory floor mats, rear AC, fold down center console armrest with dual cup holders, nice perforated leather throughout, and then it also has split folding rear seats. No dings, dents, or scratches down that side. Dual exit exhaust, nice clean rear bumper. Comes with a trunk net, cargo netting, as well as first aid kit and the spare tire, tools, and jack. So everything equipped. This is one nice clean IS 250. You see a lot of these that can seem a little edgy, but this one is 100% ready to go, ride and drive. No issues, no stories, absolutely stunningly garage kept. Beautiful touch points everywhere, even the bolstering on the side. I mean, this was very well cared for, very loved, you can tell. Comes with blind spot detection system. It also has interior illumination. And then on our leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, we get Bluetooth audio connections, as well as our cruise control and push to start. Comes with the automatic LED front headlights, interval front wipers. Got that nice IS animation in the beginning. So we get 92,000 original miles. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly. AC's ice cold. Rear backup camera, we even get a traditional analog clock.
Hi, this is Lauren from Churches.
Speakers sound excellent, and everything is properly working. So if you're looking for one of the top, reliable, luxury, sporty, the all-around vehicle, look no further than this beautiful 2015 Lexus IS 250. You can find this beautiful Lexus exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.